Hello. You must be new here, Don't you worry, you will feel like at home in no time. You don't have a place to stay yet? You can stay at this house right here for now. The previous owner just moved out. What a wonderful coincidence. And you are even more lucky. It's just 4 more days until our big event. Our Harvest Festival! This Friday! What a joy! We still have a few things left to do for that. Of course, we could use some help. Come back tomorrow, see if either one of us needs anything. Thank you so much, and welcome to our town.
Strange emoji. No, I don't understand. Monday the 9th. Alright, let's have a look. Mushrooms. Immediately. Just what we need. Actually, I look kind of like Toru from, God, what was Toru in? They were a mascot for a long time for Sony, I think. They were in PlayStation All-Stars. I think their name was Toru. I could be wrong. I'll put a picture up. Oh, there's wood. Can I pick it up? Not allowed to handle the wood. Oh, hello.
Oh, hello. I'm preparing some pumpkin pies for the Harvest Festival. But I need some more pumpkins. Would you be so kind and bring me some? Thank you so much.
Weird emoji. Pumpkins. I assume these are pumpkins. Yep. They need 5. I can do that. Look at that. 5. Easy. Oh, look at you, little buddy. Hey, Greenhorn. You heard the storm last night? Have I heard the storm last night? Do you mean, did I? Okay. Good thing nobody was hurt. The bridge wasn't so lucky, though. Might take some time to repair this. Maybe you should check back tomorrow. The bridge looks fine. What are you on about? Oh. Okay. The bridge looks fine, mate. It's, you know, you've made amazing progress already. Look, trust me to walk across it. I'm going to do it. Here we go. You've put up a force field for our safety, haven't you? I understand. I'm going to name you Bill. You look like a Bill to me. Your name's Rachel. I'm merging with you, Rachel. I hope you like that.
Thank you so much. Now I can make some delicious pies for the Harvest Festival. Don't forget to try them this Friday.
Oh, so it's like one job, one day. That's cool, I guess. And I'm back. I wish I could go in my house. So I'm guessing Bill over here wants some wood. I'm sorry. I said that with my good talking lips. What's up, Bill? Oh yeah, he looks like he's wanting some wood. Hey, Greenhorn. I'm still busy repairing this bridge, but I'm sure I'll be done by tomorrow. In the meanwhile, I want to build a big bonfire for the Harvest Festival for our annual hootenanny. Could you grab me some wooden planks for that? Thanks. Yep, I knew it. He wants wood. Good thing I got some wood. I'm so sorry. Toru doesn't need to hear this. I should be better than that. Oh look, there's water. Of course there is. There was a bridge over it. You saw it earlier, you silly Billy. Go, 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 Toru. It's your birthday. What's up, Bill? Hey, Greenhorn. That's all I need for now, thanks. Pretty sure the bridge will be repaired by tomorrow. See you at the Harvest Festival annual hootenanny. Wednesday. Oh, you're looking a bit green under the gills. Are you okay?
Heyo! I know that I should do some stuff for the Harvest Festival, but I'm so tired, you know? I'll start tomorrow.
Okay, you rest up. You're looking a bit green under the gills. I'm gonna name you Marvin after Marvin Martian. Oh, hello.
Hello, you. Have you seen any of these shiny stones? I love how shiny they are. Can you help me find some more? They're just what I need for the Harvest Festival. Thank you.
Okay. I'll get you some stones. There's one. Look at that. Piece of cake. There's another one over there. I'm good at this. Everybody in the comments, why don't you tell me who your favourite, what's it called, Harvest Moon character is? Is it Harvest Moon? Animal Crossing. Not Harvest Moon, although they're similar games. Why don't you tell me who your favourite Animal Crossing character is? Because this game is clearly inspired by Animal Crossing. Mine is Tom Nook. What's that over there? Is that a hat? So yeah, tell me if it... What the fuck, are they dead? Are you okay? Oh, you got a stick or something I can pull this boy in with? Pinky! That's their name, Pinky. Pinky, are you okay? Would you like a mint? Oh. Rest in peace, Pinky. You were one of the good ones.
Can you help me find some more shiny stones?
Your boy's over here dead and you just want the stones. Judging from the look of you, you're already stoned. Alright, rest in peace, Pinky, I guess. Never mind. Yo, Marvin, there's a boy dead in the water over there. Are you gonna go and have a look? Oh. Okay, never mind. Live and let live, I guess. Or in this case, live and let drown.
Oh, they're so shiny. Thank you so much. Meow. Hope to see you on Friday, friend.
Yeah, I'm gonna go check if my man's still in the water. I'll be back in a minute. Hold up. He's still there! Can someone get me a net or something? I don't want to frighten any fishermen that could be passing through. Is there anything I can do for you? You want me to swim over? I'll help you. There's a force field. I see what it is. You wandered out of bounds, you silly Billy. I'm sorry, bruv. What's up, Marvin? What do you need? Hey, yo. I'm still so tired today. Would That's not the voice I had earlier.
I only need like a few more of them mushrooms. So, Marvin wants the mushrooms. Marvin wants 10 mushrooms. I got your back, Marvin. Just like you had Pinky's back, if that helps. Which you didn't. Oh, there's one down there, isn't there? Oh. No fall damage, that's good. That's what we like to see. Maybe that's what happened to poor Pinky. They went spelunkying and just didn't make it. Bungee jumping without tip bungee. It still hurts, man. I quite like the elephant as well in Animal Crossing. The only one I don't really like is the clown. Never been a huge fan of clowns. When I was a kid in England, in a place called Gillingham, I was about 6 or 7. We had a big sort, funnily enough, a harvest festival sort of deal at the back of our house. We had this big field, and basically, the entire like free streets in our sort of area would get together and just throw a big party. And we had a clown. This sort of elderly man clown, right? And he wore big, massive trousers, the hat, the nose, all of that stuff. And he was looking for volunteers while he was performing for the kids. And he called me up on stage. Maybe that's where I caught the acting bug. But yeah, he called me up on stage and he gave me a massive drum kit. And he was like, right, every time I point at you, you bang that drum as hard as you can. And I was so excited. And he started telling a story about a dragon or fireworks or something, right? And every now and then he'd point at me, I'd bang the drum, and his trousers would fly down, and he'd scream at me at the top of his lungs. It was fudging terrifying, yeah? This guy just, no! But much louder than that, screaming at me every time his trousers went down. It put me off 2 things that day, clowns and trousers. Luckily, I only need one of those in my life constantly, and that's trousers. So, in case you were wondering. I've been afraid of clowns since then. Well, that's a lie. I got over my fear a few years ago, back when I was in my mid to late 30s. No, 20s. They're creepy. They shouldn't be that happy, but at the same time, they're entertaining in their own way, I guess. There's loads of horror movies with clowns, and I love them. So, probably doesn't help now I watched Stephen King's It the night before the boy came out with his drum kit and his trousers and everything. Anyway, Marvin, what you got for me?
Yo! Thanks, eh? That was some good work right there. Now I got everything I need. See you tomorrow at the Harvest Festival.
Friday, here we go. It's Friday the 13th as well. Yep, this looks like some Friday the 13th nonsense. Why is it so dark? Is there a force field around us? Is this cabin in the woods? Although the force field in that movie was blue. Is my man on fire? Marvin, you're about to look like a poo detective because I want you to explain this shit. Amanita muscaria. Well, why didn't you fucking say so before? That's fine, say no more. I ate them all. Well, you didn't, there's loads left. Oh, where you going? Get your ass back here with that fucking explanation. You ate them all. What did you eat? Clearly it gave you gas because you just farted yourself up to heaven. Is that my man's head? Explain.
So happy. Pie Lady helped me to sew my belly back together. After we put all the shiny stones in there. Now I can't wait to go swimming.
Why didn't you say so? I'll come with you. Huh? Alright, bye. This is becoming a bad day in Bosnia, this is. Rest in peace, Tiki Tom. Always wanted to tell you you're very hot. On a scale of 1 to 10, you're a friggin' filibuster. Where am I going? What's that? Oh, yo, my man did an amazing job on the bridge. Look at this, it's double wide. Achievement. Can I go in the house? Actually, now no, it's all crazy. It mentioned a pie lady. I wonder who she is. Pie. Nope. Oh, what the heck? What is this nonsense? Don't you look at me like that. I'll come in here and slap the taste out of your mouth. I'll slap you until your eyeballs switch places. Why are you goffed up for the occasion? Fucking Marilyn Manson tribute act. Oh, friendship is magic. Friendship is fucked up. What's going on here? Did I have too many mushrooms? Is this what 10 mushrooms at once looks like? What the fudge?